in person at that, and an exemplary performance across the board, beginning with how she organized the meeting. She sent 3 different emails separated by a few days, announcing her theme, stimulating our interest in the theme, making clear that it was a thoughtful and important theme, important to her personally. And I thought, I hope our meeting does justice to that. And then when I saw that Richard had taken Table Topics Master, I stopped worrying about that altogether, because I knew that his astute and insightful questions would no doubt draw the best from us. And we really gave the best tonight. It was a very thoughtful meeting, and I'm so impressed with the level of contribution and education here in the club. When we put our brains together, we do great things. Becca took charge of the room right from the start. Her introduction was excellent, spot on, set the same tone as those emails, made us really feel that she cared. I have only one complaint about the introduction. It generally should follow the Sergeant at Arms opening the meeting, which is a part that we somehow left out tonight. Now that it's easy for a Toastmaster running through a long list of details to skip any of them. And it's important for experienced members in the club, such as the Sergeant at Arms, to say, point of order is a good way to put it. It's kind of the parliamentary interruption, point of order. And that flows perfectly smoothly, and actually, then that way informs everybody about what they would need to know from the Sergeant at Arms. Another point of order: evaluators try to avoid the temptation to introduce the speaker, because the Toastmaster is going to introduce the speaker. It's so easy for those words to come out of our mouths, though. So let's welcome, the Toastmaster is going to welcome them. The only reason we need to clarify the point is just so it flows better, and so the speaker gets the most rousing and appropriate introduction possible. One last point: guest introductions, slightly awkward. Toastmaster should lead the guest introductions by choosing each of the guests and deciding whatever order. Otherwise, nearly flawless meeting, and flaws were fun to talk about in any case. Thank you for your contribution tonight. Thank you everybody for your contributions.